Gen Z is better than millennials. A generation of people who are born in a certain time bracket are given special tags. These tags are used to casually address the people of that generation. These tags include boomers who were born between 1946 and 1964, Gen X who were born between 1965 and 1980, Gen Y, also known as millennials, born between 1981 and 1996, and Gen Zs who were born between 1997 and 2012. But today's debate is a comparison between Gen Zs and the millennials. This debate is to know which generation has a better lifestyle and moral values. So let's find out as Nicole and Madhav enter the war of words.
Hi everyone, I'm Nicole Fernandez and today we will be discussing on is Gen Zs better than millennials in terms of lifestyle and moral values, and I will be speaking for this motion.
Hi everyone, my name is Madhav Dalal and today I will be speaking are Gen Zs better than millennials in terms of moral values and lifestyle, and I will be speaking against the topic.
Generation Z, also called Gen Zs, is the generation born between the late 1990s and early 2010s. And Generation Y, that is millennials, is a generation born between 1980 and 1994. And Generation Alpha from 2010s and 2024. With a population of 472 million, Generation Z in India is the largest in the world. Zoomer is a nickname referring to the members of Generation Z. Members of Generation Z in India show common preferences and behaviors in the counterparts around the world. Members of Generation Z in India have clear opinions and ideas of how youth can contribute in a developing nation like a country in India. Generation Z has been named as the generation of technology, the generation of lost childhood, and the generation of ambition while lacking hard work.
So, Gen Zs versus millennials. So, first of all, let me tell you who millennials are. Millennials are the people who are born between 1981 to 1995. As per the Deloitte Global Survey, millennials are said to be resilient and value-driven. They strongly believe in business and purpose beyond profit. They will not accept status quo. Through this way, they have redefined the future of work and continue to push for more societal change in order to create a more sustainable world. The moral values which are very important to millennials are honesty, reliability, compassion, commitment, and a helping family. So, the main question is, did the Gen Zs innovate beyond the millennials, plain build on their platform, or simply disappoint everyone by destabilizing what was already going rather so well? I am batting for the millennials and sure you would enjoy as we back 30 years in 4 minutes.
Gen Zs are willing to work hard and are confident that their hard work will lead to success. They attach great importance to a security a job can provide them, both in personal and professional lives. Gen Zs tend to be more focused and are competitive in individual success, preferring to be in control with the end product of their work, integrates activism and social justice as a part of their daily lives. They are very techno-savvy, owned a smartphone as their first cell phone, watched shows on streaming services, became aware of the social, economic and environmental justice across the world.
So, Gen Z has many firsts to boast of, but none of them were possible without the platform built by millennials thereof. Like Gen Z's boast of super speed cars whizzing past the eye. Hello, nothing happened till the millennials relayed the pothole roads, sans which quit the speed, bye bye. Gen Z's ushered in health through yoga for all and health across. Well, it only happened when the millennials kept chillism alive at home and stayed connected with their roots, boss. We the Gen Z's built technology industries that have provided employment for masses. But that was only done after millennials satisfied all the basic needs to alleviate poverty and make them worthy classes. So at first, the millennials got the basic rights for you Gen Z. So will you at least please say thank you?
Yeah, thank you. Gen Zs are less interested in decreasing their expenses and are more focused on increasing their income. Gen Zs love shopping in store and believe that shopping experience is as important as the product itself. They tend to be more willing to forgo experiences and products that are too expensive. Gen Zs use tutorial videos, online classes, and real world for better experience of their personal goal.
We built it, you destroyed it. Our values, finances, and food. The millennials, low on their personal spend, they slowly build their houses higher. On the other hand, the Gen Z's EMI spend beyond means they set all their savings on fire. Staying in direct touch with their families and friends, millennials sail past many a wave. While on Gen Z's keyboard warriors, beyond clicks and shares, did you really help anyone? So tolerance and patience hold millennial marriages tight. YOLO, unilateralism, and live-ins assured the Gen Z and dissolved all the good without even a decent fight. Thus, the millennials cry, stop the junk, build a stronger core, because you too Gen Z will grow older someday. So bring our best and take them to the fore.
Gen Zs can expect to break more boundaries when it comes to what is considered professional. Gen Zs believe that their skills and characters are more important than how they present themselves and may gravitate towards more casual and open work cultures. Gen Zs is a huge population of diverse, highly independent, optimistic, and highly digital individuals. They are completely different from millennials and have their own attitude and behaviors. Gen Zs have alternative ways for gaining knowledge and skills which they want from outside traditional higher education. Brands who understand this generation put plans for them to be winners in the future.
For the millennials, it is good to mentor them and great to inspire. After all, the Gen Z is our future and their well-being should be beyond just good attire. Their outer may be flashy, impressing us with ideal videos and profiles, but real life must be content within, and radiance and glow must accompany the smiles. We immensely benefit from the tech expertise of Gen Z, solving old issues at and fly. But with all these virtual connections, we just hope our populace doesn't become people shy. The millennials have provided a commercial platform for the Gen Z's growth, but I hope the Gen Z soon realizes that it is not just money or happiness, but both. Thank you.
Oh my god, this even got me confused about which generation is actually better. If you are a Gen Z or a millennial, let us know in the comment section why you are the better generation. Want to be the first to know of the videos on the Mind Wars YouTube channel? Hit subscribe and click the bell icon. And remember, knowledge increases when you share it. So like, share and tell your friends about the video.